Hi everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can edit a contact in the Command Mobile app. So the Command Mobile app is especially great for on the go. You can add contacts to your database and edit your database with ease straight from the Command Mobile app. So what we want to do is we want to log into our Command app with our KW login credentials. We're going to navigate down to the contact square at the bottom. It's going to be the square with the person inside of it. And then we are going to select the contact that we are looking to edit. So we'll just say this one. And then we can click the three dots in the top right corner and click edit. And then we'll be able to go through and maybe we want to add more tags to this contact. And so we can do this. We can say that one. And then we'll just click save at the top. And then we can also go through and maybe we need to enter an email. And then we can go through and edit anything we need to edit in there. If we want to add their social media URL, their about information, anything like that, their birthday, home anniversary, any relationships that they may have. And then we would just click save in the top right corner, and that contact will automatically update with that information. You will see that automatically populate. There's the email we added, things like that. So if you have any questions or run into any snags with any of this, please let us know. We are always here to help. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. Hope you have a great day.